Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll do a very famous Indian snack, Bhakarwadi. For this, let us take 1.5 cups of maida. To this, add about half a teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil. Give a nice mix. Now start adding water little by little and make a soft dough out of this. The dough is perfect and soft. Let this rest for about 30 minutes. By the time, let us prepare a masala powder. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Give a nice saute. To this, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Give a nice saute. We have to dry roast this well, and once it is ready, the sesame seeds will pop. At that time, you can switch off the flame and allow it to cool down and then make it into a fine powder. Grinding part is over, set this aside. Next, take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing. To this, add half a cup of gram flour and give a nice saute. Roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes and add 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and the required amount of salt. Give a nice saute. Saute this for 2 to 3 minutes and add the grinded masala. Saute it again for another 2 minutes. Now switch off the flame and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Give a nice mix. Our masala powder part is over. Next, we'll move on to the dough. Divide the dough into 3 equal parts. We are going to roll the dough, so apply some oil. Now start rolling this. You have to roll it thin but not so thin. We need a rectangular shape for this, so we are going to cut the edges to form a rectangle shape. Spread some oil and cover it with the prepared masala. Press the masala with the spoon so that the masala will stick onto the dough. Now roll it very tight. Rolling is over, make sure it is tight and cut them into small pieces. Our Bhakarwadis are ready to be fried now. Fry them in a hot oil in a low to medium flame. Turn and fry them till golden brown. We need to fry till crispy, and this looks crispy now, so we can take it out. Our Bhakarwadis are ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.